So this tractor here is a 4240S, but it is the same thing as a regular 4240. I believe it's got a 50 series front wheel assist on them. Is about the only thing. They made them in Germany, and then guys were shipping them back across the States when they were getting more money for tractors over here than they were in Europe. So that's how this tractor come to be here. But when we order parts, I just order 4240 parts. They'll tell you in the parts counters that they don't work. They do. That's the same glass out of a 4240. If you put in 4240S, it'll say it doesn't fit. It's the exact same cab, it's the exact same engine. Everything is the same. The only difference between a 4240 and a 4240S is, I don't remember, 95 horsepower is a 4240. 4240S is 135 horsepower, and I'll show you why. The reason this is 135 horsepower and not the 90, I believe these are 6-7 liter engines. 4240s came with a different pump, an injector pump. I believe this has a Bosch injector pump, and whatever they did with the Bosch injector pumps, they gives them a little bit more horsepower. I know there's something to do with this screw here and another screw. I forget exactly where, but there's maybe this one and up in here. But something to do with these two screws. If you take them and you can turn them up, I know there's guys getting 175 horsepower out of this. I'm not gonna. 135 horsepower is a lot of horsepower for what we ever need. So yeah, and if you're wondering, like when you go to find your alternator for this is also just out of a, I believe this is like 90s GMC trucks run the same alternator. You just gotta learn how to plug it in. It's save you about $50 by doing that. Exact same alternator.